Everybody, this is Miko again, back for my self-imposed 28-day live stream challenge. This is day 10. So happy that you came back to hear me today. So today we're going to do another chapter from my book, How a Postage Stamp Saved My Life. And this chapter, we're going to talk about how to improve your self-esteem and self-image. There was a TEDx talk by Mel Robbins that I really enjoyed. And of course, she's the author of the 5-Second Rule. And she mentioned that scientists estimate that the probability of you being born is at about 1 in 400 trillion. I mean, that's a number that we just can't even fathom. So what does that mean? Basically, it means that you personally are engineered for success. You are designed to have high levels of self-esteem, self-respect, and personal pride. You are extraordinary because there's no one else like you. So there's never been anyone exactly like you on earth. I mean, even your fingerprints are different. It's totally amazing. So if you think about yourself in that way, then that raises your self-confidence, your self-esteem. There's a CD that I absolutely love. It's by Earl Nightingale, and it's called The Strangest Secret. And he says, you literally become what you think about. So my question to you is, what are you thinking about? What is on your mind constantly? Out of the 60,000 plus thoughts that scientists say that we have, what thoughts are you thinking? Are you thinking about the great things you can accomplish or have accomplished? Or are you constantly thinking about your mistakes that you've made? In this particular CD, he talks about how our thoughts trigger images and pictures and the emotions that go with them. These images then trigger your attitudes and your actions. So basically, the way you think about yourself will trigger certain pictures in your mind, and then you will either act accordingly to that. Either you'll do things that are great or not so great. Basically, he says that we attract into our lives that which we think about. So our thoughts are really the key to everything. Whatever our dominant thoughts are, that is what will show up in our lives. So then there's another book that I highly recommend. It's by Brian Tracy, and it's called Change Your Thinking, Change Your Life. Amazing book. He says there are 3 parts to our self-concept, and that all 3 elements make up our personality. The first is your self-ideal, which is made up of all of our hopes, all of our dreams, and our ideals. It's the thing that you most admire in others. It is the person that you would most like to become. So that's the first part. The second part is our self-image. And this is the way that you personally see yourself and think about yourself. So what thoughts do you think about yourself, and how do you see yourself? There's another author, Maxwell Maltz, and he believed that by visualizing and imaging yourself or imagining yourself performing at your best in an upcoming situation, you send thoughts to your brain, and this goes to your subconscious, and it accepts these thoughts. It accepts what you're sending it, and so you create this good picture about yourself. The third part he mentioned in his book is of your self-concept is your self-esteem. And this is the emotional component of your personality, and is the most important factor in determining how you think, how you feel, and how you behave. So how you feel about yourself is how you're gonna behave. Self-esteem is best defined as how much do you like yourself. Basically, that's what self-esteem is. It determines much, if not all, that happens in your life. whenever you do or say something that is not in keeping with your ideals or with your beliefs or just with the way you see things, if you don't keep in step with that, then your self-esteem about yourself, it goes down, because your subconscious knows that you're acting contrary to what you think and what you believe about yourself. In addition, the more you like yourself, the less fear of failure you will have, the less concern you will be about what others think about you. And the more you like yourself, the more committed you will be to pursuing your goals, and you will raise your standards in life. And like I said, you'll not care so much about what other people feel about you. Remember, you are unique among the 7+ billion or 8 billion, how many people are on the planet right now. You are unique, and we need to all recognize our uniqueness and honor that, and not try to act like someone else or be like someone else, but be the person that you are, and to stay true to what your core beliefs are, because when you stay true to that, then it raises your level of self-esteem and your self-confidence. And there you have it. Those are the concepts I wanted to talk about today. The way that you can improve your self-esteem and your self-image. I wanted to say thank you so much for watching today. Please subscribe to my channel and like my particular page. And I just want you to know that coming up, I am an affiliate for Andrew Warner for the his upcoming class that's coming up on Tuesday, February the 12th. It's called Bot Academy, and basically it's about Facebook Messenger marketing and how you can learn how to be a marketer either for yourself or for other people. So there is a free link underneath this video. Definitely sign up now, because you will definitely be happy that you did. I've signed up, I'm in the course, and I absolutely love the course. So thank you so much for watching, and see you on tomorrow.